We're in the Jeep. We're ready to go to Linville. And I gotta make up about 20-25 minutes of time to catch up with Stefan. They're actually heading out. I'm an hour further away than they are, so they're leaving from Raleigh and headed to Morganton. I'm leaving from Charleston, headed to Morganton. So, yeah, here we go, hitting the road.
Looks like a little banana. Where are you from anyway, man?
I'm from around here.
I'm out here in Columbia, and Columbia, South Carolina. Just pulled off the side of the road to get this beautiful sunrise. So we'll be headed back on the road. Got about, I said about 3-hour drive left.
You don't play around, cover much ground, got game by the pound. Getting paid is a forte.
Alright, so we're coming into Charlotte. Getting ready to change the exits here and head towards Gastonia. Then we're going to go up through Hickory. Then we'll take go straight by Hickory, and then we'll be in Morganton. Just a few more, about an hour and 45 minutes.
We're going to
not the Amazon.
We're going to the Shining Rock Wilderness. That's
Shining Rock Wilderness.
Yep. Shining Rock. That's
okay,
what we're doing.
Just say that one more time. I'm not going to repeat what you say. It sounds really dumb when I edit it.
We are going to Shining Rock Wilderness.
Excellent.
Perfect. So yeah, let's
say hi, Taylor.
Hi.
They never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings is a no. Let me tell you how it goes. Curves the word, spins the verb. Lovers it curves, so freak what you heard. Rolling with the fatness, you don't even know what the half is. You got to pay to play, just for shorty bang bang to look your way. I like the way you work it, trump tight all day, every day. You're blowing my mind, maybe in time, baby I can get you in my ride. The way you work it.
Yes, take video. That's
I know.
what we want to do. We did not do
noticed,
it last time.
No, I also noticed you didn't use any of my video for the short little. It was pretty bad.
We'll work on it.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I wasn't trying per se, but all right.
Smart wool socks.
Well, duh.
The
In the moment of truth.
Solomon GTX something. Oh, they're like putting on a pillow. All right, so we are between Brevard and Canton, North Carolina, and it is beautiful. Sun's going down a little bit. Might have some rain showers tomorrow, but it's very beautiful here. So take in the view. All right, guys, how is it?
Beautiful, dude. I see Looking Glass. I can see Looking Glass.
Holy crap!
You see that over there? You don't see it, but it's you have to stand here. I think that's Looking Glass because I think the Blue Ridge Parkway is that way.
Whoa.
Yep.
Oh, good.
I like the way you work it. No diggity, bag it up.
No, I have the map in my pocket. That's how.
Blind. Oh, this is that does seem like a cool app. You can download
Here.
the area and not worry about service.
I will show our viewers just how much we're roughing it. So, let's see here. Is that what we want?
Does it say what our mileage is?
I don't think so. Okay, so we started right there where the parking lot is. Right there. Came down. We're right here right now. Let's see. No, I don't see mileage.
Found the mileage?
No. Chestnut Ridge looks like a place that we should go. Okay. Okay, we're going to Chestnut Ridge. Right there, Chestnut Ridge. Yay! That's the trip. All right, we found our campsite, so we're heading straight back to it.
Man, I'm so jealous of that camera and the video it can do.
This one? Oh, yours?
Yours.
The one I'm using right?
Like articulated screen and.
Yeah.
It's nice.
So if you don't know, filming on the Canon 80D, it is an awesome camera. It's got super good autofocus. Low light is quite terrible, but that's okay. We have headlamps and other stuff for that, but so right now.
I'm gonna set a rotating time lapse.
Oh hell yeah!
Okay, I'm with you.
So we are coming to our campsite that we spec'd out just a second ago.
No, we cannot.
It's 54 degrees right now, and it's 7:15 p.m.
We cannot survive.
So we are
We wouldn't be the first or last.
over here. We're setting up camp,
I'm trying to figure out where the less wind
and
for our tarp.
these guys are gonna be tarp camping,
Yep.
Tarp to tarp.
and then I got tarpa. And then I have my Marmot
Well, that's
2P
probably better for the tent. 'cause
tent.
it's just like-
Okay, so for my nerd down on bushcraft knowledge, we want to also always make sure to check the trees above you.
for bears.
Not for bears, for the tree falling on you.
Koala. Rather koala.
And that looks like where we're gonna hang our bear bag. That,
You may want to hang it a little further down
Yeah.
away from us.
Right above our tent will do.
We wake up with the bear like drooling on us.
there's many tents to choose from. Tents, trees. Man, I'm way tired. I'm running on 4 hours of sleep.
I don't know what way.
Wait,
So-
you're taking a tinkle.
No!
First floor is tinkle.
Woo!
The first floor
There she
is
goes. Say bye.
tinkle. Hey girl, you need that much paper? You sure you
Good Lord. All right, so next shot will be us setting up camp.
I'm gonna set up
Time lapse.
Tea!
Yeah, we're doing hot tea
And
tonight.
whiskey.
Oh, it's gonna be so good. Look at you with your goddamn lighting setup,
You look like
good-looking
a.
son of a bitch.
You look like the thing from. What is it? The alien thing? It? The thing? No, it's called the thing.
Maybe. John Carpenter's It.
Yep. Let's see what it looks like when I put it on myself. Oh, that's not bad. It actually does not. It comes out pretty good.
that does.
So we're at the campsite now. We have everything set up, and we found a big pile of snow that we're gonna melt, boil, and use for our water for our dinner tonight. Because we have another long trek tomorrow. It'll be the longest. Camp 2, probably be one of the longest ones, and we want to make sure that we conserve the water before we get down to the
Because we'll have a creek eventually.
Yeah, there'll
We
be a
don't know
creek
exactly
eventually.
Where that is.
All right, so we're just prepping for dinner. Gonna relax, have some tea.
Let's go melt some snow.
Let's go melt some snow. All right, lead the way.
Do you want to bring this little tripod I've got here? We can put that on that tripod and
Yes.
film us while we're...
Yes, that sounds good.
Taylor's like, who am I camping with? Do you have a, what kind of,
Oh, I need to
Thing
get
do
my
you have?
headlamp out.
I have no thing. Here, we can just hand off. Here, yeah, keep that on there. We'll just hand off.
Okay.
Like I'll fill mine up and then you fill yours up.
I don't know why I just handed you that.
Mother Russia.
Do you pull up?
What are you trying to do then? Oh, you want your phone?
Are you using it?
No.
Okay.
I'm very surprised that this is enough light.
I can't see anything. I just realized that.
All right, who's ready?
Let's do it.
I should probably get my shit. Oh, I need the gas too, babe. Oh, it's right there.
Big fat one.
Yep. Yep, we got tortillas. We got...
Ooh, very nice.
Yep. Oh, we're just bringing packed snow back, right? We're
Yes.
not melting. Okay.
Nope.
So how much would a packed snow melt?
Of 2 cups, I have no idea.
So you need about twice the amount. So we probably need to make one trip, get it boiling, then go back and just grab some with our hand and come back.
Okay.
Because yeah.
Yeah, less dense than actual water.
According to my YouTube experience, that is correct.
Like I say, you apparently are. I'm bringing my spoon to pack it down into my jet boil without using my hands.
Yeah. And then to make
Before
the...
you leave, babe, can you come over here?
Yeah.
I can't find my...
You better figure it out. You're on camera.
Hey.
It's lighting.
There it
It's
is.
great.
Thank you. I just
So
want to make sure I
happy.
found it before.
We'll be back.
Follow the jet boil.
I feel so buoyant and light without a cap.
Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm Superman right now.
Crushing up this.
I almost feel like running.
I know, man. I just feel light.
Light as a feather.
You know what we may want to do just for fun, man?
What?
If we have the energy after dinner, we may not. If you do, we may take a walk up the trail kind of see what's up ahead for tomorrow.
Yeah.
If we want.
It's like
As
this.
a water source.
It's here somewhere.
As warm as it was today, I'm really shocked that's still around.
It's great for us.
Why is it all right here? Did someone build like a snowman or something? Like,
Maybe.
doesn't even make sense why this is here.
Hopefully nobody pissed in it.
Right?
Well, I mean, it wouldn't hurt us because we're going to boil it.
Yeah.
And you're in sterile anyway, right?
Well, fresh out of the body. I don't know about sitting out here. Are you going to filter your water somehow? Or no? Not worry about twigs and stuff that gets in there?
Yeah, I'll probably run it through the, there we go. We got our water for our meal. Cool. Okay, so again, according to YouTube, don't pack it too much. You want to add a little bit of your drinking water
Yeah?
to start it to boil. All kinds of tips and tricks.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is legit.
You know what we could also do is, I've got a kit.
And it's recording. There you go. And yeah, like you'll want to just gotta hold it on something for a second. That way it gets the focus. And
Yeah.
then you're good to go.
Hang on.
All right.
Like the wait. Teach me the autofocus thing? Because it's going out like out here for some reason.
Yeah, just point it to like this. Just point it to this.
Oh, now I gotcha.
There you go. Focus wherever the light beam is. Then it'll start to pull the focus. And then you'll be ready.
Okay, alright, it's gone.
Cool. All right. We got snow. Ta-da. No, I'm gonna boil it first.
Not bad. Not the worst move. God, I hope you can edit out my stupid comments.
Yeah, I'll just put music on.
Yeah. Our snow stockpile is mere yards.
This right here, this Ghost Whisperer jacket, Mountain Hardware, is amazing. I'm toasty warm right now.
Dude, I've totally got puffy envy.
I'm toasty warm.
Totally got the
It's funny
puffy.
because it said the drawback was it's not as warm as most puffy jackets. I was like,
Well, dude, man, I mean, some of them are not meant as mid layers. That can go under a shell. Like, it's so versatile.
yeah.
You know?
Well, like my
Home sweet home in here.
Radiolab did a podcast on CRISPR.
Oh, shit.
What Casey works with.
Yeah, that's awesome. I'll have to check it out.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so I have my. Hold on. Pause. You good?
Yeah, got you in focus.
Awesome. So we have the Jetboil flashlight. Right now, I'm just going to open up this can of gas. And super easy. And again, the Jetboil flashlight, as opposed to the Jetboil Zip, comes with a piezo lighter. The Zip does not. So if you buy it, you're SOL for this. It doesn't. It's not on there. All right. And so we're gonna come over here. We got our snow cone. Snow cone.
Should that be yellow?
No, I hope not. Oh, okay. So, rookie mistake. It's okay.
The, I know what you did, the valve.
Yeah. Go. So
Yeah.
good. I had some friends over and I was showing them this, and the gas went just like for 1 second. They all like almost ran out of my apartment. I could not believe it. It was like, come on,
That's
guys.
ridiculous.
I was like, you need to go camping. All right. Get some gas going. And that's it.
Now we wait.
Now we wait.
All right, I'm gonna boil some.
Well, tomorrow night, won't we be down, not on the bulbs anymore? Like down.
I don't know. We'd have to look. Actually, let's see what the map says.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna do a little quick
We can
talk here.
check the elevation on the waypoints to see if it's dropped any lower.
All right, guys, we just finished up eating tonight, and
Beast.
a feast. It was a very good feast. What did you guys have?
We had lasagna and mac and cheese. Brought to you by
Delicious.
Backpacker.
Yes,
Backpacker?
We
And,
got the Mountain House.
Mountain House. There was
and the Mountain House too. Yeah, you had 2 meals.
Mountain House.
I had the Backpackers meal. What is it? Meal. What's the company?
Beef. Backpacker. What?
I think it's just Backpacker, isn't it?
Backpacker.
Oh. It's something else. It's like a something.
Backpacker pantry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Backpack. I gotta be specific. See, when you do YouTube videos, it actually analyzes the audio throughout your whole entire video to find keywords
Does it really?
For
search
searches?
terms.
Are you kidding me? Is this
Oh.
automatic?
Yeah.
You still have to tag things, all right? Or no?
Yeah, but it also your audio is part of the tagging.
That's
That's how they
cool.
check for vulgar obscenities and stuff like
Oh,
that too.
fuck.
It's fucking it'll blow your mind, dude.
That's insane. I didn't know that. I don't know how you learned all
Huh.
this.
So brought to you by Backpackers. No, I'm just kidding. So I had Backpackers Pantry beef stroganoff. It was great. I did not have the bad experience that you guys had.
Yep.
It
Mainly because I saved it and ate
Yeah.
it.
Oh, that's definitely why. That's definitely why.
That'll happen.
We took our snow, our pile of snow, and then we worked on
Made it into delicious tea water.
boiling it.
Brown water.
And then I used my shirt today to strain it. And then we filled up an Nalgene bottle that has rolled down the hill.
And tomorrow is crippling dysentery. Take it off the mountain. It won't stop.
There's not enough wet wipes to help.
They're pretty fucking
Okay,
bad.
Stefan, tell us about the whiskey. Not that. Tell us about the what you have in here.
Okay, so
or
this-
whatever's left.
Delicious light brown fluid is Suntory whiskey. I want to say, I don't think it's like 12 year. It's nothing super fancy. $30 for a bottle, I guess a fifth. delicious, and
They know how to make their whiskey.
yeah, amazingly Japanese whiskey, man.
And in this beautiful cup.
Oh, that looks like a
That's
Snow
right.
Peak 300 milliliter.
It is indeed actually a 300 milliliter
Double walled?
Double
Snow
wall.
Peak. It's
Man.
double walled.
Dude, that thing's fancy.
I heard if you heat them up, they explode, so don't do it.
Yeah, don't do that. Oh yeah, guys, guess what? Don't boil snow and leave an air pocket on your Jetboil flashlight. It's not their fault. I just melted the hell out of it. Okay, so don't do that. That's what will happen.
That's right.
Other than that, camp is set up. Can't see your camp. It's over there somewhere.
Just imagine something beautiful.
Yeah, it's over there somewhere. So I'm gonna have some tea.
Dude, oh my god, I wish we had, you know they make sleeping bags where you can, for couples, where they join together, you can sleep in them single mode.
Oh,
Or
nice.
you can join up into one big sleeping bag.
Oh, we should do that. What if we did that with like
So I'm gonna
10
have this.
and we just had this giant pocket
This
of
is.
like a
Invite all the,
potato,
invite all the animals,
hot
Tricky and
potato.
Lily, and...
Oh,
Just
cats love
focus.
sleeping bags.
Look at the focus.
These
Come
are
on,
cats
focus. You can't focus. Focus. Anyway, this is chamomile and lavender tea. That's what I'm gonna drink before bedtime. It's gonna be great. That's all.
It is all.
We'll see you guys in the morning. All right, so we just woke up and it is Saturday, March 18th, birthday day. And I'm gonna get the bear bag and make some coffee. You making some coffee, Stefan?
Fuck yeah. Oh,
Yeah?
I'm gonna go poo first, but I'm gonna make some coffee.
Nah,
I'm gonna go poo again.
I have to have coffee first. Man, I love the smell of dirt. Isn't it funny? It's like a fresh smell. Do you like dirt?
I like the smell of nature and wet nature. I'm not sure if that's specifically dirt.
Let's go with that. I like the smell of nature. Sounds good. Hey, hey. Are you good for the day?
Came out with some force, man. I'm a fast pooper. Nigga, do you see this right here? Oh, my little baby blue. Baby blue, and there's nothing you can do.
Guys, I'm trying to film over here.
Whoops.
It's a boo boo to boo boo. It's so like a coffee. Ooh.
We're not sorry.
Not one, not no all.
Oh
Does
man.
this tarp seem better to you if it's strung up better? Yeah. But you know why, like, yeah. Oh, I would too. I would too. I would too. Wow, the sun's up. I think there's some exposure to
Yeah?
Oh, that's a.
So one of them's worse than the other, though.
We are making
Java?
today we're making Starbucks via instant. You know, the American addiction.
You didn't have those last time.
No, I had some really nice coffee, and I'm just trying to do light as possible. But it's a good camera shot. Oh, that's a great. You should check this out. Next thing I'll do is I'll pick up the camera and dump this and film it. Oh, holy shit! That smells great.
Oh, those things are
Wow.
amazing. Have you tried one before?
I did, but it wasn't a good experience.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this one's cool. You gotta get, I mean, you can stay in the Nikon family if you want to. They make a different one. That didn't work out. And just like that, you have fresh Starbucks in the middle of nowhere. With some chunky bits. Good morning, everybody. Look at the Blue Ridge Mountains. They're so nice. Okay, you can stop looking at me. I'll show you the mountains. Alright, so this is a view from the top of our campsite.
Oh yeah. I'm trying to remember where. Keep it inside of the bag. We didn't bring the setback for it.
It's actually pretty tight.
What?
The way you tighten it. Alright, so it's been about a half an hour since we left our campsite, and in about 5-10 minutes we're gonna head up to we're gonna hit the top of this peak. It's called Old Butt Knob. So this is a cool little trail that we found. It's leading us on the ridge of the mountain, and it's kind of got rhododendron everywhere. It's kind of like a cool tunnel. Is that exactly what you said?
What?
That's exactly what you said, right? Very good.
For the record, we are not on drugs.
And he's filming right now.
Oh yeah, buddy.
All right, so we made it to Shining Rock, and it is like 5,996 feet or whatever elevation, but we're gonna call it 6K. And it is so beautiful. What were you saying we could see up here?
You can see the parkway.
Parkway,
Yonder, there's the parkway snaking along that ridge line.
Blue Ridge Parkway.
And just beyond is the, I believe, Brevard, but you can also almost see Looking Glass. But we might get a better view, I think, later.
And so what we're gonna do is down in this valley is where we're gonna get some more water, kind of recharge, and then hopefully we can find maybe on the crest of that mountain over there a good place to camp for the night. And other than that, this is day 2. And what time is it?
4 o'clock, almost on the dot.
4 o'clock. We've been hiking for 2 hours.
Tater.
Hi.
Hater.
And yes, we got a late start.
Very late. Thank you, Nick.
Do the math, 2 hours. Yeah.
We're doing great.
Yeah. It's so nice out here. This trail that we just went on is fantastic.
I hope we see a sunset tonight, guys. With the way the clouds are, we might see some serious color in the sky.
Yeah.
Quite blustery.
Gosh,
Amazing to see
this
the
will be a
shadows
many
moving.
moving time lapse up here.
Oh my god, with these moving shadows.
That'd be so worth it to pack that tripod and that Osmo up here for just that one moving time lapse pan. There's always next time.
Always.
Okay, this is Old Butt Trail. Is that what I said?
Old butt.
Old fart
Old
butt.
Butt Knob.
Old butt knob.
Old Butt Knob. And we're headed down this trail to, I didn't go to that trail last time.
Well, we're going to the Shining Rock Ledge.
No, Art Lobe.
Art Lobe.
Art Lobe.
I like
Lobes knobs.
old butt fart lobe.
Old butt lobe.
What is wind, man?
At the end of this trail, Art Lobe is where we're gonna intersect with.
Yep.
All right, keep going. I quit.
Do, 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 do.
Confused Nick is always good to do this. You know, if you need to make a U-turn.
Right?
Probably not.
Go right. That's probably just a campsite or overlook.
Where will Nick take us? They all lead to the creek, I'm pretty sure.
Sounds about right. Oh, it's gorgeous. Wow.
Those,
Is it quartz?
maybe, or like a type of quartz.
They're everywhere.
Whoa.
A little rock garden.
Feel this.
Once again, no drugs involved.
Now feel how like, just. Yeah, no drugs. Sorry, got a little too excited. Feel how smooth it is.
Quite smooth. I bet everybody touches that on their way by.
Ah, yeah. Oh, holy. Check this. Sunlight.
You make a wish?
I do.
All the fun out of it. I do remember about these is
Oh, hang
I
on.
got my hands on them a bunch of times. Hey, you want to keep going? Be careful, don't slip.
Yeah. Didn't slip. Sounded like it. No drugs. Poop. Wow, it's so scenic, this little stretch.
Would you just look at that?
Would you just look at that rock?
Would you look at that? Man, look. Hey, would you look at that? Look at that right there. Where are we? This is not North Carolina.
I know. This is like we went through a closet door or something. And it's like Narnia.
Oh, wow.
Seriously, this is. I've never seen anything like this with his quartz. But this is what we read on his trail. Remember his? It was like a rocky quartz outcroppings. Do you remember that?
Look at that. It's like as sharp as a razor.
Oh, I bet they make like arrowheads out of this shit. Is this flint? Is this flint or quartz?
No, it's gotta be quartz. Don't worry, the YouTube commenters will tell us everything that we said.
They'll tell us everything we need to know and more. This is actually a very interesting section of trail, and I'm glad that I'm filming you right now.
I'm glad to change the 4K. No drugs.
No drugs.
Wow. I almost want one of these rocks.
I took a little one.
You did?
I
Oh,
did.
my
I put it in
baby.
pocket. I was gonna surprise you with it tomorrow.
Like one with that moss on it would be cool. No, you're not supposed to do that, probably.
Moss might die.
Yeah, I probably would make it.
Oh, look at that.
Let me touch how sharp it is.
It's really sharp.
Oh
Blood
shit!
brothers?
You're not kidding, dude.
Yeah.
Like that is puncture right there.
Oh, ow! Holy fuck. No, full of tip.
I know. That's what I was talking about. I have very thick, callousy hands though from climbing. So.
Make an arrowhead. Look, that's like arrowhead. Look at that.
All right, we're gonna.
Oh, fuck yes.
Overlook? Oh boy.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, this trail's like beautiful.
My favorite part.
I know. I just can't even believe it. Can we climb this stuff?
Ah!
Oh man. A little bit of fourth class terrain scrambling up there. Hell yeah. Good job, Nick. Dude, that's sick.
It is so pretty from up here.
All right, I'm coming up.
Holy cow. Okay, just be careful. This is ice water.
Okay. Wait till I'm at the top, babe. Just in case I take a tumble.
Oh, that moved.
Yep.
Yeah. Got it?
You got it, baby. A little slick on the feet, but just kind of make sure you're nice and well planted with the hands.
I may need a hand bed.
Okay. God damn it, look how fucking beautiful this is. I'm gonna go further up. Will you take this? Actually, can you record? Just turn your face a little bit.
way back this way. Not sure what direction we're looking this way until we get a compass, but it's such a beautiful view. It's so beautiful. I'm telling you guys, you cannot beat this view. This view is incredible. Very windy, but one of the Taylors up there. Oh man, this is sweet. Where's Stefan? Oh dude. Where are you?
I don't know.
We transported again.
What Brothers Grimm fairy tale is this from?
I don't know, man.
Dude, it's like complete like portal into a different ecosystem and environment.
Hansel and Gretel, is that who we're gonna see next?
Hansel! Gretel! Wo bist du? That's pretty good.
That took some effort. Going through that log. Just a little bit of snow on the ground. We're thankful because we used it for pack water.
Oh yeah, it's getting a lot of, you can tell we're coming up on
The sediment.
some water. Yeah.
Yeah. Gosh, it's so nice.
Dude, there's like legit still serious ice on the ground up here. Is this the creek?
Yes.
Alright. We'll make something work. Done it before.
Well,
Alright. Packs off. Tits out.
yeah, we'll just do it right there where it's running.
Yeah. There might be a little fall somewhere, but this is, yeah.
I like this spot right here. Well, I thought it was going to be a raging creek.
Yeah.
It's just ice.
But I'm also not surprised because we see this very often.
Yeah. Well, it is the water source, so. Get a little B-roll.
Oh yeah, that's a good. It's flowing good.
B-roll footage complete.
Sawyer Mini. Filtration system. Manual pump. Water filter.
Is that what it is?
Yes. 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 Richard.
Alright guys, so we are at our second campsite and we were so tired we just got here really quick, made food, and went straight to bed because this morning...
But not sleep.
Yeah, we didn't sleep that well because I'll back up and show you the campsite. Because it was 30 degrees, it's still 30 degrees this morning. And so if I spin around, this is the trail that we came down off the mountain. And then, see, I'll flip this around. And this is the trail that we're going to take back. Take that trail back down to the car. The nice thing is the car is only about maybe half an hour away from the parking area. So we're going to make some coffee right now and go ahead and load out. Alright, so we're packing up. So enjoy this time lapse. What did you just say?
I don't remember that.
I don't think you're supposed to say that on the trail that leads you back to your car.
That takes us to a different trail ahead.
Yeah. This doesn't look familiar. I will be honest with you, it doesn't look familiar. It was less green. I don't know, I'll check my phone.
Shorty and down, good lord. Baby got 'em open all over town. Strictly bitch, you don't play around. Cover much ground, got game by the pound. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day. True play away. I can't get her out of my mind. I think about the girl all the time. East side to the west side, pushing fat rides, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash. Back when it comes to the gas, by no means average. It's on when she's got to have it. Baby, you're a perfect 10. I wanna get in, can I get down so I can win? I like the way you work it, no diggity. Got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. Got to bag it up.
So we're leaving Asheville and we're headed down Black Mountain. So the camping trip is over. Until next time.
Walk away with a weekend of campfires. Actually, no, we didn't have a single campfire.
No.
No, actually, we did have a campfire. We're just not camping.
Yeah.
Okay, so we walk away with a weekend of sore legs.
Very sore legs.
We're sunburned, dehydrated, and slightly malnourished. The last part's not true either because we just ate really well in Asheville, but you get the point.
Trump tight all day, every day.